How to transfer from Earn wallet to Spot wallet in Binance. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can transfer from Earn wallet to Spot wallet on Binance. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open your Binance and make sure that you're logged in and make sure that you are verified. After that, navigate to bottom right corner and tap on your wallet. Now under your wallet, you will have various options. From there, search for an option that says Earn and then tap on Earn. After that, on the next page, you have to locate the asset that you wish to transfer. There, tap on the asset to view the details. After that, you have to tap on Redeem option. Here you can choose between flexible redemption in order to transfer to a Spot wallet instantly, or fast redemption where the funds are transferred the next day but you retain the interest earned. So according to your preferences, you can choose one of the redemption, and once you're done, enter the amount that you wish to redeem. Then confirm your details and complete the redemption. After that, you can navigate to your Spot wallet to ensure that the funds have been credited. So in this way, you can transfer from Earn wallet to Spot wallet in Binance, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.